Welcome to Medicap's PDF Express. In today's class, we'll be seeing the Speedo question, which was related to child psychology, and this question was asked in the year 2024. So in 2024, I guess 2-3 questions was asked related to child psychology. Therefore, it is, you can say, one of the high-yield topic. Now, let's see this question. So in a 15-year-old patient undergoing ortho treatment, there is demineralization of the enamel due to poor oral hygiene, and now they are asking that this is explained by which? Egocentric, that the child is egocentric, there is some mood disorder, personal fable, then imaginary audience.
Hello everyone. So are you a NEET MDS aspirant and you are struggling to find all previous year authentic question? What if I tell you that you will get everything in just one book? My book is out on Amazon and Flipkart. Just check the video for description. It contains all the solutions along with the reason to rule out for your convenience. Get your hands on it today itself and take a significant step towards your success.
Now let's see all these things. So first of all, egocentric patient. Egocentric means they are in the adolescence, so they are just concerned about themselves. They are having a lot of pride in themselves. They just want to look good. They just want to be perfect in everything. And they'll be like more caring towards their oral hygiene. So egocentric, this is ruled out. Mood disorder. In mood disorder, there are times when there is negative mood. There are times when there is positive mood. So we cannot say that the answer is mood disorder, because at times the patient will be very overwhelming and all those things. The other time he or she will be sad, and she will not give any consideration to the appearance, aesthetic, personal hygiene and all those things. But on the contrary, at times they'll be like quite enthusiastic about the thing. So this is also ruled out. Then imaginary audience, option D. I'm skipping intentionally option C, so you can get that this is the correct answer. Option D says imaginary audience. Again, in cases of imaginary audience, if I'm thinking that everyone here is looking at me, everyone is just concerned about me, I'll be like more apprehensive towards my appearance, towards my aesthetic, about my oral hygiene. I should not be having halitosis and all those things. So these imaginary audience kind of child, they are very particular about their oral hygiene and personal hygiene as well. So again, this is ruled out. In the question, it was given that ortho treatment is going on. Enamel demineralization started taking place because the child is not brushing or maintaining the oral hygiene. All these things, they point out towards the diagnosis of personal fable. Now, what is personal fable? In personal fable, a child is having mentality that I am superior to everyone and I am invulnerable. Anything would not happen to me, like say for example, these caries will not happen to me, plaque will accumulation will not happen to me, I'll not get bad breath, halitosis, all those things. So he is thinking himself as the superior mode. That's why intentionally I have pasted this in it. This child is thinking as if he is Superman, and he is not vulnerable to anything. So coming back to our question, the answer is personal fable.